Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am excited because I'm like in a good mood, even though it's like a really cool natural, like, I'm about to say natural, y'all, cut that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in a good mood today. For some reason, you know, I woke up, I got to sleep in till like 12 o'clock. That was a good sleep too, y'all. I had to go to Walmart to go get some stuff. It feels good outside. I have no class, so I was like, let me record my video because this is what's going to be uploaded on Friday, which is what y'all are seeing. And then the next week is when the schedules start. Okay, so I'm not going to be recording this weekend because I'm going to be prepping for videos. I'm also going to be utilizing TikTok now. I utilize it, but I don't do TikToks, but I will be doing them now because I want to like show a lot of behind the scenes I do. I did do a review on my ring light, so that's going to be uploaded. So I'm trying to utilize it more because I was like, it's there, let me do it. So I am excited. So let's get into this video because I don't know what color I'm going to do. And I do this all the time. Also, I'll tell you guys something when we get through with this intro because y'all know I don't like long intros. So let's get right into it. Isn't it amazing how different your face look when you have eyebrows? My eyebrows are blonde, y'all. And also they are growing back black. So I'm gonna have to bleach them soon, okay? It's crazy how like my face is here now. Also, I just kind of did them upward. So I shaved them off camera, like arched them, and because they grow in so weird, especially when they're blonde. It's just hard to tell because I got the blonde and the black growing in. Yeah, I need a full another day makeover coming soon when I do my hair and my eyebrows, okay? So y'all, do y'all notice something by now? Once again, I move my room around. I don't know what it is. It's like, I need to go and get out this door because the aura is never here. That's why I move it around. Y'all literally seen like every inch of my walls. Like y'all seen every part, every time I move it, y'all seen it. So this time, the bed used to be over on that side. Like last time it was this way, but it's on this side now. This is the second time I had it like this, I think. But y'all, I move my room so much, it don't even matter. But anyways, what color are we doing today? I really am in the mood for pink. I really want to do pink, y'all. On Thursdays, we wear pink on this channel now, okay? I need to put a pink shirt on. Do I even got a pink shirt? Got a pink vest. Anyways, I'm in a pink mood, so we're going to do pink. I love wearing pink. I kind of want to do a bright pink, okay? It's been a while since I did like a super, super bright pink. I have that color, so that's what we're going to do today. So I did my brows, set my eyeshadow. I'm actually going to go and prep my station because there's nothing in front of me. I don't even have a palette in front of me, y'all. Let me hurry up get this together first and I'll get back to this face, okay? Okay, also look at this, y'all. Oh my god, the mark is just not going away. If y'all didn't know, I did a story time on this. Y'all can go check it out. I got a concussion and y'all, the biggest knot, like it was just the craziest knot on my head and it looked insane. I had to go to the hospital the next day, found out I had a small concussion. Y'all, I've been through it, okay? If y'all new here, your girl has been through it. And also, welcome to the channel. So now, I got my palettes. I got one behind me, which I'm not using that one. But let me see. I'm using my Trendy in Tokyo palette because it's a really bright pink in here. I love these colors right here. So I'm going to use those. And I'm going to mix it with my Lavie Dun Prince palette. And I got to be careful because one of these colors I messed up and I don't know how. Obviously, it's me moving my stuff around. I'm going to use these two. It's a pink and a purple. I'm be really careful, but I kind of want to use the migrate color because it's a little tan and I kind of want to blend with that. I think it'll be a really good mix. Okay guys, so I'm starting with my Trendy in Tokyo palette. The pink is so cute, it's so bright. So I ended up pairing this with the Lavie Dun Prince palette. The pink is, both pinks are really similar, but I think Trendy in Tokyo is a little bit darker, but I paired it because I wanted to pack on as much pink as possible because this color, y'all, you gotta have normally I would put a lot of concealer on it, but I just did it when I set it with my powder, and then I ended up blending it with that color. I told you guys that pink tan color. I wanted to blend it with something just so it's not by itself because it's not easy to blend pink at all. It's not hard also, but I was trying to make sure none of the color fell off. So some of it fell, but that was I was not worried about that. Okay, y'all, so I just got to doing the base, which is pink. At this point, y'all should know me or y'all will get to know me. So I'm all about shimmer and glitter. I'm going to be adding jewels to my look. So I was like, I really want some pink shimmer. Where is my pink shimmer? My Culture 2 palette. I'm going to use that pink purple glitter cream eyeshadow for the lids, okay? So I was like, I was going to do just like a regular pink eye, but I was like, I love glam and I love glitter. So I'm still going to add that to it. So this is just going to be the base of it. So yeah, I just love glitter. Y'all don't know what it is. It's so cute. Okay, so look how cute. Pink is so cute on me, y'all. I think it's because the blonde and the hair and the eyebrow, light brows. I'm proud of myself. Okay, so let me wipe this off because this color failed. Like, it falls a lot. And then this is my, this is the Trendy in Tokyo palette, y'all. I'm going to take my, what's the color? I never knew the color name of this, y'all. Jolove, I think it's that color. It's the shimmer one right there. So I'm going to put that on my lid. I love this color, by the way. It's so pretty. Yeah, this is what I was trying to do. On Thursdays, we wear pink, y'all. That's definitely the new thing now. Thursdays, we wear pink. And I got to put that in my notes so I don't forget. How am I going to create this on my channel and then forget it? And this color definitely falls too, so just dust that away out there. But it's a, I also use a thinner brush too for this. Since it falls, you don't want it everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. Here we go. And this is what I love about eyeshadow. You can make stuff so simple and have it look so good. Like I said, but on my other video, I feel like when I used to look up makeup videos, eyeshadow, it's just too many steps. And I'm like, you could do a lot with like less. You don't need like 20 steps for eyeshadow. It's not that serious, okay? Especially if you do your own makeup. I'm like, I don't need layers. I can make this look good. So I'll do my own makeup till the end. I just don't be understanding why it's like they do the most. I'm like, okay, I could do a crease if I want to. But I'm just like, it's too much, okay? And I get it. Because it's like, it make it look certain ways. I understand, but it's just too much for me sometimes, okay? So I'm gonna go in with my liner, and yes, I do add black eyeshadow on my liner because I love how it looks. It's my favorite thing to do. It makes it look more dark and it makes it look more matte. I like it, okay? And this is a waterproof eyeliner, so it dries, but it doesn't dry as like matte. So I always do black eyeliner to make it even look better. That was a weird sentence, make it even look better. To make it look better, okay? So now let's do our liner, and I'm not going to do a thick liner because I don't want to cover this eyeshadow up. If I do, I might just raise the eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so I just got through with the eyeliner, and this is what we got. I have to add more shimmer to it too, okay? So I'm about to go in with my foundation. I'm really liking this matte foundation, and y'all know I don't even normally like matte, but I will still get this again. It looks good. So I'm gonna blend this out, and I'm gonna go in with my brush and do this. I actually like using the brush more too, y'all. So I'm still getting used to using the matte foundation, but it works really good. And the brush I use, I think I got that from Ulta, but I don't know. I ordered it online. It was like $3. It's a really good compact brush, and it holds a lot of product. That's why I like to use this one. And I don't use brushes a lot, y'all, but for this time, I used it because it's just easier for me to maneuver on my face. I got a big head. But I use the egg when I need to go under my eyes. And with my concealer, y'all know I'm using the color Fawn and Suede. I think I'm going to end up going back to Toffee, but these colors really do match well. And it's a really good tan, and it balances off the foundation. Y'all, this stuff takes so long. When I do my concealer, I'm literally blending for a while because I have to get it perfect. And I'm constantly like redoing stuff. And it's just an old habit, but it always looks good toward the end. Okay, y'all, so I'm set in my powder now, and I am two-tone, just to let you guys new people know. So I don't like to put foundation on my neck because I'm going to be covering it up. Like, I would if I was, like, not covering it up. I really don't like putting anything on my neck because, like, yes, you want it to blend, but at the same time, I be wearing, like the clothes I wear, I don't want it to get on my clothes. But I just came to terms with it. And I've been two-toned for, like, literally ever. You can see on my hands, I'm literally two-toned. Like, I can't do anything about this. So, okay. So we are done with the base, okay? I am going to go on and contour the outsides of my face. You know, I thought I'd be having everything. I'm definitely getting me a new brush set, y'all. I got to. Yes, okay. So I'm gonna do my blush now. Since we're doing pink, I'm gonna go in with my pink blush. And I got this from Ulta. It's not, it's an Essence blush. So if it had a color, it's, well, actually, let me see the color. Bold Heart, that's what it is, number 4, Bold Heart. That's the color of this. It's really pretty. Amazing cheekbones. Also, y'all, I am having myself, I'm only going home. So next week, this weekend is our break. I'll have a whole week off. Okay, so my last day of work is next week. And I have a full week. I'm not going to be home though. I'm going home on Thanksgiving only and this weekend. But my dog is a lot, so I'm gonna make sure I stay on campus. But I'm gonna be doing videos. I actually might upload some more videos next week, but I'm still trying to keep it Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. But I might just upload like more than one video on that day if I do. I'm just giving you a heads up. That's just if. But I might still just do what I'm doing, you know, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because I'll have more free time at the same time. I'm using this time to do my projects. So it's really not free time. It's like this week just give me good time to catch up. Cause y'all, let me let y'all know something. Yesterday, I was so tired. I'm gonna talk about this while I do my highlighter. But y'all, yesterday I was in class, right? And your girl was so tired. I woke up at 8 o'clock. I had an 8 o'clock class or a 9 o'clock class, and I had to get up to get ready. I was so tired, I just didn't even get ready. I was like, no makeup, glasses, mask, let's go. So I was trying to study. I was studying the whole day because I had a quiz that I was not prepared for because I had the flu last week. I missed 2 classes, or I had flu-like symptoms. I don't know if it was a flu, but it felt like the flu. But I was so freaking tired, y'all. So I wasn't able to go to class because I was like bedridden. I was bedridden. I couldn't leave my dorm. And it was only until like Wednesday. So then I go to class Wednesday and they weren't in there. They met at the museum. I was like, I wish you would have told me, because last time we talked about that, we didn't have a date picked out yet. So I was like, okay, I emailed him, let him know that I was sick. And he told me, oh, okay, that's fine. He just told me what to study. But I'm just happy I didn't miss too much because I just like looked on Blackboard. But yeah, he told me we had a quiz with for Wednesday. And I was like, God dang it. So I was like, now I gotta study for that. And so I was doing that the whole day, y'all. Wednesday, I was doing that the whole day. And it was last week that I was sick. I think it was last week, yeah. So I was so sick, and I ended up, I was out Friday, Monday. That's right. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to get this together. So I go to class. I was like, okay, I was studying in all my classes, and I was like studying nonstop. It wasn't even procrastinations because I was like studying before, but I was like, now I always get scared because this is my museum of art class, y'all. And when we said, well, how he do his quizzes, there's 3 questions. How scary is that? There's 3 questions in their essays, okay? And you just write down so much, everything you know, because he grades you on what you know and if it's correct. But like he wants you to put examples of museums, and my professor has been a curator in over like 40, 50 museums. He's been curator in a lot of museums in the States. So it's just, oh my God, he's like a big art lover, museum lover. He's like, he covered this museum on my campus. So I'm like, it's always nerve wracking when I got a quiz. I'll be like, oh my God, okay. So I was studying the whole day. So I get in there and I was like, I just want to go to sleep. He asked if I was feeling better. I said, I am. And I'm like prepared, kind of. So I get the paper and I was like, for some reason, I don't know what happened. I thought I was going to forget everything. Y'all, I just started writing. I was like, how am I remembering all of this? I was like, oh my God, I know what that is. And I took art history and I even took some stuff from there because he wanted stuff early. Like one of the questions was talking about like early period when the museums began. I was like, I took art history, y'all. 1600s, I know all of this, okay? 1700s, and that's 1700s, yeah. I'm like, I got this. 1800s, I know everything. So every question, I was just so proud of myself that I was right. I'm actually curious about what I got. They might not even be ready Friday. Hopefully they're ready tomorrow. He can tell us, but as long as I got a B or higher, okay? Anyway, I just had to get that off my chest. I was proud of myself after that. I said, now I can go to sleep. I took the longest nap after that. I was so tired. Okay, so I'm going to go on with my under eye color. I'm going to use the Lavie Dun. Oh, no. You know what? I'm going to take this pink purple from my Culture 2 palette. It's right on top of the shimmer color. It's this. I just love this color so much. We're going to take that color. Oh, I got this stuff everywhere, y'all. I am going to go off camera now because I'm going to finish my face for you guys. And y'all will see everything. I'm going to add jewels and mascara and lashes and lip gloss. And we're going to add probably a corner color. But I'll let y'all know afterwards. But I'm going to get cute for you guys. I got to see what I'm about to wear too. What am I going to pair with this? I need something pink. Well, my face is pink. My eyeshadow. So I guess that's okay. And lip gloss. So y'all will see when we're done. And this is the finished look, guys. So let me correct something, okay? On Fridays, we wear pink. Not Thursday. We wear pink on Fridays. Okay, I had to get that together. I was like, this video is going on Friday. What the heck am I talking about? So, y'all, this is the look. I added a jewel right here because I thought it was cute. I had it right here at first, but I put it right here. Here. I love how this look, y'all. The pink is just so cute. Come on. And then you can really see it. There we go. And I had to do my extra lashes. Yeah, these things be so freaking long. And my sister be telling me, get some bigger ones. I'm like, nah, this is good enough for me because I cannot sometime with the lashes. So yeah, I had to wear black, y'all, because I don't know. I don't have any pink. I really don't have anything pink. So I was like, I got pink eyeshadow. This is my pink, okay? I feel good. I'm in a good mood. It's crazy how dark it is. It's literally dark right now. It's only 4 o'clock, y'all. What the heck? So, y'all, I got something to tell you guys. So I really want to order. I plan on ordering some, contacts soon. I really want to try looks with contacts. I think it'd be so cool. What if I had blue eyes? Oh my god. How, like, it won't be super blue because my eyes are normally like brown. I want to try the Korean lashes, not Korean lashes, the Korean lenses, because they have them, they're bigger. So I think I'm gonna order some and then I'll test those out for you guys. Hopefully I don't go blind trying to do this. I don't like stuff in my eyes. I got perfect vision. I'm the only one in my whole, I'm not joking, the entire family that don't wear glasses. Y'all think I'm joking. That's my aunts and everything. I'm the only one that don't wear glasses. So, like, I don't want to, like, mess up my vision trying to do this, but I really do want to try some, so we just gonna see. And I like Korean lenses. I always see them, and I was like, they're so pretty. You know, I be looking at the K-pop idols because they be having them, but I know a website to get them from. But the good thing is that they match them with your color, so you can, it's like not fully blue, but you'll see like a little, your retina, I think, I'm not an eye expert, y'all. So you mix them kind of with that. But I do want to try and see how, like, even if I do hazel, how different it'll be. So I'm going to order some and try that out, okay? So also, I am really proud of myself. I've been doing good, getting up, doing my videos, y'all. And like I said, I have a schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. That's what we're going to keep. This will be uploaded Friday. Schedule start next week, okay? So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at I am Tatiana Green. Follow my makeup page, makeupbytatiana.co. Follow my TikTok page, I am Tatiana. Follow my blog, I am Tatiana. Woo, that's a lot to say, y'all. All the links will be in the description. I'm trying to grow my TikTok, y'all, so I'm trying to grow it, like, post more on there. So, yeah, a lot of stuff coming up for you guys, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. And welcome to all my new subscribers. Okay, y'all, also for my lip gloss, I just wanted to say this. I want to hurry up and say what I use. This is an Ulta brand. It's a really thick lip gloss. I do like 3 dabs right here. 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom, because it's really thick and really pink. And I put my pink gloss with it. Look normal, but it gave me some color on my lips. That's what I like it.